Channel. My name is Mimi Joy. Please subscribe to my channel, like and on the bell in case I post anything, so you can be able to know. Last time I made this video, people were calling me, asking me why did I not show them how I made it from the beginning to the end. So that is what I want to do right now. Though the fruits I need is not available because I just woke up. I took nap and wake up, and I decided to make it this night for me and my kids to enjoy it. So relax and watch it and see how I do it. So this is cabbage. I peel the back. I make sure I peel the back very well. Though all these things you are seeing here is already washed. All this you are seeing here is already washed. I've already made sure I washed it very well. So the first thing, what I'm slicing now is cabbage. That is what I'm slicing right now. You can do as much as you want. There is no quantity about it. It's not like you food 2 times in a day. Or this is fruits. I eat it more than I eat food. Everybody that know me know that I eat fruits more than I eat food. I can eat fruits in a day, 2 days, 3 days straight without tasting anything food. That is the kind of person I am right from beginning. I'm not a food kind of person. So this is cucumber. You cut as the shape as you want. If you are the kind of person that like it little, you cut it little. If you like it big, you cut it big. Me, I cut it just anyhow I like it. I don't want to make as big as my daughter. Like this food very well. Like this salad very well. But my son, now I know they like her like that, sha. And my husband likes it too. So this is cucumber. This is cucumber. I can only take 2 or 3 cucumber. I don't have carrot as much today. Look at the little carrot I have. So I'll just cut it off. Sorry. Where's the banana?
I spoiled it.
Sorry. So this is carrots. My son is confusing me. And this is tomato. This is tomato. Naturally, I eat tomato raw, with or without me cutting this. Sometimes I blend this anyway. Sometimes I blend this. I blend it sometimes. Sorry, please don't put that in the side. Sometimes I blend it. The tomato, I make sure I remove the water. I don't like putting the water. Yeah, I remove the water very well. Don't like not even one water on it. Go and sit down, David. Sit down. Do you get it? So I'm cutting the tomato, the fresh tomato. Cutting the fresh tomato. I'm going to use only two, just 2, because we are eating it. This thing, I don't know, some people may like it to eat it and remain and eat it the next day, but me, I like cutting the one I can finish. Me and my family can finish at a spot. Don't like anyone that I cut and miss. I like finishing it. You understand? So that's why I just take little by little. Depends who. Sorry. It depends who that is eating it. Then I'll know the quantity of the ones I'm going to make. But this is just for me and my kids. Then this is banana. This is banana. If I use this banana, if I buy banana that day, I have to finish it that day. I have to use it, the one I want, because my children, if if I buy the banana immediately, I have to make sure I do the fruit salad immediately and leave the remaining one for my kids. If not, before I go, I say let me go and buy something and come back, the banana is gone. So I have to go and buy another banana. I put more of banana because of my baby girl. Because of my daughter. So I put more of banana. Yeah. This is 3 banana. I'm going to use 4 on this. But you can use as much as you like. That's can use as much as you like. If you listen to what I said before, it's not something that you can use 3 times a day, something that you have a quantity of one to use. No. Use as much as you like. Whatever that will make you satisfied. Me, when I eat it, I don't eat anything again. So I cut as much as I want to use. So this is it. I'm going to bring watermelon.
Thank you, Mommy. I don't know. I think it's over there. Oh, it is in this.
Okay. Let us wait for the watermelon. As we're waiting for the watermelon, okay. Close the fridge, please. So this is watermelon. This is watermelon. This is watermelon. I'm not going to use more of watermelon because when you use more of watermelon, it becomes watering. You understand? So I use a little watermelon. I don't use one more watermelon. I don't use more watermelon. I use a little watermelon. You understand? I use little watermelon because you know watermelon has a lot of water on it. So I don't use too much watermelon. I just use little I can. So this is the watermelon. Because I like granules, it's optional. Granule is optional. Granule is totally optional. It's not everybody that will put granule. So I pour granule. This granule is Indian granule. You can use any granule you like. This is Indian granule. This is not Nigerian granule. I prefer using this Indian granule. I prefer the taste anyway. I prefer the taste. So this is the granule. I'm going to use three sachets of it. 3 sachets of the granule. Then this is the granule. After this, so this is like yogurt. This is yogurt, not like yogurt, it's yogurt. So I spray it. This has low fat. It has low fat on it. I want to make sure I use it all because this one is what I remained the last time, so I want to make sure I use it all. Then this is, people use condensed milk, people use milk, peak milk, but me I like the condensed milk because of the thickness of it. So I prefer the condensed milk. So the condensed milk is to give it taste because of my kids. If it's only me, I will not use the condensed milk. So I put the condensed milk. This is the one that remained the last time I did it. So I put the condensed milk. The little one that is remaining, I just pour everything. No, condensed milk doesn't have cover. This one, it doesn't have cover. So I just pour all the condensed milk. Just pour all the condensed milk. So some people will prefer to just turn it, but some we prefer to just be grabbing it from up. But me, I like to turn it so it should go down. Turn it to go down. Sorry, my son cannot allow me to make this video in peace. Sorry. So that is it for the fruit salad. I hope you guys like it. Oh, yeah. This is it. So that's it, my sisters. Welcome. You subscribe to my channel. My old subscribers. Honestly speaking, I'm happy. I'm grateful. I will never take you people for granted. God bless you guys. Bye bye.